The wild man of dancehall dancing, shocking out, broken woman foot and them thing there. Marvin the Beast. And Facebook Hero is at it. Yeah. Can you believe it? Facebook Hero and Marvin the Beast, the two wildest men in the industry right now, are at it. One man claimed to say, well, Facebook Hero claimed to say, well then boy, Marvin the Beast, liquor brother, call up his little sister name about being disrespectful. You know what I mean? But basically the man said it wasn't being really disrespectful. Because if they did really diss the little sister and nobody never give him no foul call or come to his house to check him, then nothing is wrong. But Marvin the Beast is saying nothing ain't really wrong. But Facebook Hero is saying right now he's not looking for no friend. If any man crosses the line, they're gonna understand. So the Beast is saying it's no big thing. But let's see what happens. You understand? It's not a joke. This thing is in entertainment news, you see me? So the wild beast of dancehall, the wild animal, the wild creature, broke woman foot and them thing there, scratch leg, all kind of thing. Versus the wild man that run up and down through the ghetto with his sidekick them. Yo, big up to the two man them. The two man them are celebrity, yeah? So you don't know, big up on the thing. You understand? I like on the work and I like on I do the thing. You see me, new celebrities coming up, you see me? So yeah, we hope say that boy, that quash out and the man them one day will become virgin again, cause the man them was friend, you understand, so. But Facebook Hero say right now, I'm not taking a talk cause them look a sister is in a bad way. You understand? And she's not able-bodied like everybody else, so he's not taking it like that. You understand? So I suppose I could understand if your family was disabled, you would understand, so boy, you don't want no one to disrespect them. Because they can't defend themselves in that physical way, you know? So yeah, big up on yourself. You know what I mean? So you know what I mean? You have to have respect to the people who are disabled, definitely. You understand? Disability is not a joke. So Facebook Hero get mad and wicked on the Beast. And I say, yo Beast, yo this, we ain't even dealing with this from no police standpoint, yeah? We're gonna deal with it on a street level. Like a Mario, the man coming like a Super Mario, you know what I mean? Now I tell you, Facebook Hero get mad power up, you know, like a Super Mario, you know? Ready for crush the Beast underneath him foot like Bowser, you see me? Yeah man, get really crazy, you know what I mean? But the Beast I say an easy thing, you know what I mean? It's like a playing Mario, a joking thing, you see me, an easy thing. But right now Facebook Hero is not having any talk whatsoever from the Beast. So all I can cry is peace, you know, because I love to see when Beast doing all them things to the woman them in a dance hall and doing all kind of thing, creating waves, you understand? And the man them want the Beast a boy. You don't go too deep with the broken woman foot thing in a dance hall and carefully as I'm putting bucket over woman head and the Beast kind of calm down. But right now, I don't really want the Beast get mad again, you see me? So you don't know. Hopefully man Facebook here sort out them little thinker. A two mad celebrity, two of the craziest man them in the Jamaican entertainment sector right now at the moment, you know? And the man them thing shot. You know? You see it? You don't want the man going in a beast mode, you see me? Because when you in a beast mode, you know man. You know the man like transform like Hulk in a man. Close everything in a man. Tear up in a man. So you don't know. Big up my people, you see me? Remember to like, share and subscribe, of course. You know what I mean? Yeah. And tell me what you think about Facebook Hero and the Beast going at it, you know what I mean? Do you think it's a little thing? Do you think it'll be quashed out easily? They were friends once, you know, so hopefully the thing can set up and look good, you know what I mean? Yeah. Because I want it to look good, you know what I mean? Because I love to see the hero running through the village with his phone and his face, you know what I mean? Come like a fly, the butterfly, told the butterfly run fast. But right now, Facebook Hero say some serious thing, like him with a fatality, a man, you see me? Him would all mash up a man a certain way, you see me? Because they're not a joking thing right now with the thing, you see me? Man says, little sister get this, and right now you want to finish Marvin the Beast. You understand? Right now, man say if you catch him, I want straight up a cut, but go give him somewhere underneath in jawline, you understand? How the man make it sound, you know? Like jawline, I go feel pain. Anyway, I'm see the Beast anyway at any time. Because the man say, boy, I feel violated over him family, so. You understand? And any man we can understand that, you know? So guess what now? The man with the violated, his little sister, is disabled, she cannot do anything. You understand? So the book now getting mad. You understand? We're not even hear too much from the book right yet because the book has said, boy, how the man them disrespect him like that, you know what I mean? How the man them mean for call up him little sister name because he don't mind if they call his name. But once you call his little sister name now, you see me? The Facebook hero said, boy, not because he run around in cape and with a hoodie over him face, a tam over him face and glasses and them sitting there. Don't take him for no idiot, you understand? Mine, you understand? Mine don't violate him and them thing there, you see me? So, any year ago, you go, sir, but me understand, me find it a funny news, and that's like, right now, you know, the era, the beast, and that's what I say, yo, who would ever think say they better too, but they got a problem, you understand? That's the truth, they have to get a joke, Bridget, eh? The beast, the wild animal of dancehall, the mad dancer, broken man foot and them thing there, eh? Versus, Facebook hero, you understand? When him come for talk, him come for talk. You see me running through village with all them little charges them, yo, right now, you know? Facebook hero are laughing, because guess what now? I say right now you don't want to send out whole heap and little sidekick them. Eh? The amount of sidekick where the man have, you never see him run through village with the video them, bridging. And see all about 2 dozen little youth back him run, bridging. Trust me. Now I run with them right now. I not run with none of them man, bridging. John know, you know? And of course, please remember to like, share and subscribe if you want more of this content. Fantasy World will be delivering it on a regular occurrence. So yeah man, big up to the hero and big up to the beast. I don't know nothing set, bridging. Turn up on the thing. Jamaica thing turn up. You see me hope send man them quash out a little something there. You know what I mean? Yeah, out.